The coordinates are set. Let's hope they find it.
Tank pressure is green.
Regulators secure. Mask check. Ready to go.
The coordinates are set. Let's hope they find it.
Stand by to lower the chains.
It's here! I told you it was real!
Unbelievable! Let's get it open.
A team sets out on a sea expedition in search of hidden gold, traveling aboard a ship across the ocean. After several days of journey, they reach a very deep part of the sea where they decide to stop the ship. Then, some skilled members of the team put on oxygen masks and prepare themselves as divers. They jump into the sea and slowly descend into the deep waters. At the bottom of the ocean, they discover a very old chest lying on the seabed. The divers swim closer to the chest and carefully examine it. After confirming its importance, they prepare to bring it to the surface. Strong chains are attached to the chest, and with the help of heavy machines and powerful cranes, the chains are pulled, slowly lifting the chest out of the deep sea. Once the chest is brought out of the water, it is placed on the ship. The old and rusted locks on the chest are then carefully broken open. As the chest opens, everyone is amazed to see a large number of gold coins inside. The coins are very old and covered with dirt and mud. The team members take the coins out, wash them with water, and clean them using brushes. As the dirt is removed, the gold coins begin to shine, revealing their great value. In this way, the team discovers a huge treasure. The entire team celebrates with joy, proud of their success, teamwork, and determination.